Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. It's JennaG. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use cauliflower, whole wheat, panko breadcrumbs, and roll oats to put together these delicious vegetarian cauliflower meatballs, and we're going to be having it with some spaghetti. Putting together these meatballs is one of the easiest things to do. All we're going to be doing is cutting the cauliflower into smaller pieces, adding it to a food processor along with the oats and the panko breadcrumbs. Onions are going in there as well, and we're also going to be adding some green seasoning, cayenne pepper, and complete seasoning. Next, we're going to process this until all the ingredients are nicely incorporated and we have no chunks. It's all just fine crumbs. Then we're going to empty it into a bowl, and we're going to be adding some olive oil or avocado oil to it. And we're going to be mixing it well, make sure everything is nicely incorporated. Then using our hands, we're simply going to be shaping them into our meatballs. Using the exact measurements provided in my recipe that can be found on my website, I usually get 8 meatballs from these measurements. Next, I'm going to be adding these to my air fryer and baking them at 392 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. It can vary depending on your air fryer. You can also bake them. While those are cooking, we're going to be putting our spaghetti to boil with some salt and some oil to prevent them from sticking together. Once our meatballs are finished, we're just going to set it aside, and now we're going to work on the sauce. I'm starting off by adding some oil, my vegetable oil, to a pot on low heat, and I'm going to be sauteing some onions, sweet peppers, garlic, and pimento or seasoning peppers. Then I'm going to be adding my store-bought spaghetti sauce to make things easier, followed by some water. I'm going to mix that nicely, and then I'm going to add some green seasoning, taste and adjust for salt, or you can add complete seasoning. Then all I'm going to be doing is adding those meatballs to the sauce, make sure they're nicely coated, and then I'm going to be serving it over the spaghetti, garnishing with some freshly chopped chives or celery or even parsley. And this is our vegetarian cauliflower meatballs and spaghetti. These soft and tender meatballs are something you will want to definitely try out. Ideal vegetarian recipe and menu item for you guys to add on that must-try list this week. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share with all your friends and your family.